bonding and valency. Bonding and valency. So these group elements have 5 valency electrons. In valency shell, these elements have 5 valency electrons. Have 5 electrons. That is S2, S orbital 2 and p orbital 3. So general valency, common valency is 5 except nitrogen. Except nitrogen. Except nitrogen. Nitrogen shows valency. Valency is nothing but combining capacity. So nitrogen shows common valency 3. That means it can be formed 3 bonds. And the maximum covalency of nitrogen and the maximum covalency, the number of formation of covalent bonds. Covalency of nitrogen is 4. That means maximum nitrogen can form only 4 bonds. More than that it cannot form, because reason, due to nitrogen more than 4 cannot shows. Nitrogen more than 4 covalency cannot shows, because lack of d orbital. That means absence of d orbitals. Because absence of d orbitals. There is no free d orbital. So there is no valency more than 4. And also it is a high energy required to jump electrons from 2s to 3s. Then in that case also it can show, but it is not possible because of the energy required from 2s to 3s excitation of electron is not possible. So, and also absence of d orbitals. Main reason is absence of d orbitals cannot show. But other elements, phosphorus also next depend this math. Other elements can show more than 4 valency. That means maximum valency 5 and 6 also sometimes they can show. Also 5 and even 6 valencies, covalencies. Example, PF6 minus. In this case, around the phosphorus there are 6 bonds. There are 6 bonds. So, covalency is 6. in this case. Other also shows like. And in the case of nitrogen, if you see, nitrogen forms ionic compounds when react with metals. Example, lithium nitride, aluminum nitride forms ionic compounds. And also in ammonium nitrate, ammonium nitrate, around the nitrogen there are 4 bonds. Ammonium nitrate, ammonium plus NO3 minus ammonium nitrate. In this case, around the nitrogen there are 4 bonds in ammonium ion. In all ammonium ions, this is ammonium ion. In all ammonium ion around the nitrogen there are 4 bonds are exist. 4 bonds are exist. One is a coordinate covalent bond, remaining 3 is covalent bonds. Here ammonium ion 4, covalency of nitrogen is 4. This is the example you can take. Next, oxidation states. Oxidation states. Oxidation states. If you see these elements, common oxidation states. Common oxidation states. So -3, +3 and +5. -3, +3 and +5 are common oxidation states. -3 is more predominant. In case of nitrogen and phosphorus. That means -3 oxidation state is more stable for nitrogen and phosphorus, less stable for remaining elements. Next, nitrogen ensures oxidation states -3 to +5 oxidation states. -3 to +5 oxidation states. Example, if you see, in ammonia, NH3 ammonia, -3 oxidation state. And hydrazine, N2H4, hydrazine, in this case -2. NH2 OH, this is hydroxylamine, here -1 oxidation state, -1. And also ammonium nitrite, this is a nitrite, ammonium nitrite, 0 oxidation state. And in the case of hydrozoic acid, N3H, hydrozoic acid, -1/3, and nitrous oxide, this is also called laughing gas, -1. And NO, nitric oxide, -2. And HNO2, nitrous acid, -3. And in the case of nitrogen dioxide, -4. Sorry, yeah, +1, +2, +3. +1, +2, +3. Next, +4. Next to dinitrogen trioxide. Dinitrogen pentoxide. Nitrogen pentoxide here +5 oxidation state. So -3 to +5. Nitrogen can show variable oxidation states, but other elements cannot show these all oxidation states. Next, nitrogen shows a disproportionation. Nitrogen from +1 to +5 oxidation states. +1 to +5 oxidation states shows disproportionation. Example, nitrous acid undergo disproportionation and form nitric acid. This is a nitric acid. +3, +4, N2O pigmentate. Okay. HNO3 and nitric oxide plus water. This is nitrous acid, nitrous acid, nitric acid. This is a nitric oxide, nitric oxide, nitric oxide. This is disproportionation, disproportionation, disproportionation. Disproportionation means here oxidation state is +3, here oxidation state +5, here oxidation state is +2. So +3 going to oxidize, +3 going to reduce. Oxidation, reduction, both are called disproportionation. And phosphorus, and phosphorus shows -3 and +5 oxidation states. -3 and +5 oxidation states shows disproportionation. Disproportionation in acidic medium, in acidic and basic medium. Basic mean alkali, basic and alkali medium. Next, so some -3. So generally +3 oxidation state, +3 oxidation state, top to bottom oxidation state stability increases from arsenic to bismuth. That means arsenic to bismuth, +3 oxidation state stability increases, +5 oxidation state stability decreases from arsenic to bismuth due to inert pair effect. Reason, inert pair effect. Reluctance of participation of s electrons, s orbital electrons not participated. So that is proportionation.